This tutorial has been done in accordance with e-mjet Operations Manual Part A.
Locate and launch the EFB Suite application. Log in with your username and password. Choose the flight prepared by dispatch before. Check the correctitude of the following fields: date of flight, aircraft registration, type of flight, crew codes. Check-in time. Select who is the pilot flying. Insert the actual fuel uplift in the total fuel on board. The system will calculate the required fuel uplift based on the remaining fuel from the previous flight and the actual fuel on board. Type of fuel and fuel supplier. Confirm the security check done and code of flight. PAX flight with passengers. POS, positioning flight to pick the passengers up from another airport. TNG, training flight. FRY, ferry flight, flight to the maintenance facility. MNT, maintenance flight for flight test. Confirm the emergency and safety equipment check performed. Would you be servicing engines, APU, or hydraulic system? Insert the amount of oil in the dedicated box. Please note, the quantity of oil must be specified in quarts. 1 quart equals 2 pints. Push the Sign Preflight button, enter your login and password, hand sign and push Send button. Confirm the pre-flight check done. A flight data stored message will confirm that successful pre-flight has been done, and flight data have been stored on the company server. Would a flight being cancelled for any reason, it has to be deleted from the system. Log in to the EFB Suite application. Choose the prepared flight that will be cancelled. Push the Delete button and confirm flight cancellation. If the flight is cancelled for any reason except the technical, press No. If the flight was cancelled due to technical problems, press Yes. Describe the problem, then push Cancel Flight. The flight deleted message will confirm success.